Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, we know how well read he is, how on international platforms he has hailed India's cultural superiority. Now, he has publicly welcomed the honour bestowed upon Rajaji. Tharoor said he was pleased to see Rajaji honoured. He praised Rajaji's convictions and described his values as anchored in civilization and faith with no shred of bigotry. That praise has not gone unnoticed. The BJP now has turned this statement into a political question for the opposition. The opposition that is questioning the intent behind government's larger decolonization agenda.
But in India, they want the symbols of colonialism and Gulami to persist. They want that those who were the invaders, like the British or the Mughals, their symbols should continue. And they are comfortable with that. But if we celebrate our own legacy, our own culture, our own civilizational heritage, then they have a problem with it. They hate India so much that they are willing to even adopt British and Mughal and their symbols, but they hate the symbols of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Pragya now joins us for more on this. Pragya, BJP there batting against an onslaught of allegations coming in from the opposition. And they're asking why couldn't the two bus coexist?
Well, you're absolutely right on that count, and in fact BJP is also asking questions from the opposition as to what is the problem if they are doing away with the colonial symbols and also the statues. The problem here is they are not removing any of the statues of the freedom fighters, or for that matter anyone who has held the constitutional post, and this is exactly why the BJP is also counter questioning the opposition. Well, opposition has a point that there could be coexistence, but having said that, they should also read about the man who had established this Latyans. No one is saying that he can be effaced from the history. He will remain in the history, and Latyans is also known by his name also. The fact is that he spoke ill about Indians and he never had very high opinion about Indians is also a sentiment that may have and is likely to have governed this decision of the government to remove his bust and replace it with C. Rajagopalachari, who was the first Governor General of the independent India. This is about the sentiment of doing away with colonial mindset that has put down India on many fronts and for many years. A government that is battling that particular, the mindset that has been ingrained in us for many years and for many decades. They must have felt it appropriate to not have his statue or his bust in presidential palace, and in fact to have C. Rajagopalachari instead, who stood for the diversity, who stood for very values and traditions of the country. So this is also a statement that government is making. It does not mean that they would want to eradicate, efface and delete the man who is
Yes.
who actually constructed Latyans.
Yes.
This has nothing to do with that, and this is exactly what the BJP also believes.
All right. Thank you, Pragya, for joining us with those insights.